What's going on, guys? Welcome to another episode of Michigan Streets and Eats. Now, before we start this video, I just want you guys to make sure that you like and subscribe. You hit that subscribe button down below.
You're watching Michigan Streets and Eats.
So I got my basket of fries here, and I'm about to try out the Hazy Jane. It was recommended to me. I'm sure it's going to be really awesome. That's really good, really good. I like the citrusy taste. It's kind of similar to the M43, but this one has a bit more of a kick to it, but I definitely like that. I recommend you try that if you've never had anything like that before, or if you're a fan of citrusy beer. I highly recommend that you come and check out PJ's Lager House. We had an awesome time in there, really great setting, awesome manager. Caleb's an awesome manager. Anytime you're in Michigan, you're in Corktown, make sure you come check out PJ's Lager House. You will not be disappointed.
If you go over there, the little peephole in the door to the basement, that's from during Prohibition, when you know, they want to see who you were before you're coming in here.